Birds and branches, wreath builder. Want to know what I did with these? Watch the video. I stamped this plate with IOD Stamps, birds and branches, and the wreath builder. Now I'm just teaching you how to fill in the colors so that everyone can be an artist. You just take the DIY paint, this is blue iris, and dot it on your project, and then with a baby wipe or a moistened cloth, you just pick some of it back off. So it just leaves a little bit of color. And again, I went around filling in the stamps. That ink is permanent. It is not going to come off with water. So you can do as many colors as you want on these stamps. And I was using blue iris, and then I chose a little bit of Petticoat pink. I'll speed this up and let you watch me paint. I'm just adding color to the flowers, to the leaves, and anything else that you want to just stand out a little bit. The color is muted down with water, so it has a watercolor look. Your stamp details are going to come back through. So if you get the paint down a little bit too heavy, no worries, just spray it with a little bit of water and dab it right off. I let this plate dry for 24 hours. The clear wax over the entire plate. That brought out the colors, and then I went in with white wax just to soften it up a bit. I thought it was just a little bit too harsh, and I wanted just to soften that down. As long as you use the clear wax underneath the white wax, you'll be able to move that white wax around and not have it stick in all the places, just where it's important. Now isn't this sweet? All DIY paint, IOD stamps, it screams spring. If you would like to purchase this plate, go to the paintedphotographerhomedecor.com for the DIY paint or the IOD products. Visit thepaintedphotographer.com. Thank you, and until the next video, happy painting.